morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. If you're stopping by for the first time, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos, and be part of the family. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram at ToxicSRT. I'll put it up here. Also add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT. You will see things that aren't posted on YouTube or Instagram. So today is the second day of the trip. Like I showed you guys yesterday, I got the hotel here, but check what happened today. I told you guys we're gonna run into a problem and it's gonna snow. Well, the lady from yesterday was not lying. Let me show you guys what I see. The window's kind of dirty, but I just want to show you guys what I see from up here. So, obviously it's all snow. As you can see, that's the Ram, that's the Hellcat. And my Hellcat has never, ever seen snow, but at least it's not getting driven. We're gonna get some breakfast and then head down there to see what the situation is. The only thing that sucks is driving when it's snowing outside, especially when you have a trailer and you have a car on top of that. But we're gonna keep pushing through. Had a good night's sleep and now I'm ready to go finish the rest of the trip. We got like 18-19 hours left to go, so wish us luck and hopefully we get to LA safe. So let's get it. Look at this. Oh man, my God. Look what is going on over here. The Hellcat still looks beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. It is ridiculous. Wow. Watch what happens when I open the door, look. It's like frozen. It is literally frozen. I mean, I don't even want to turn my windshield wipers on until it melts. Gotta get the heat all the way up. Front and back. Whew. And hopefully it melts. I mean, it's frozen even up here. But now it's time to continue the road trip and keep pushing through. I wasn't expecting for this to happen. I didn't even want the rain to happen. I wasn't expecting for that. And that happened. Now it's snowing and I guess it's gonna be a good journey and we're never gonna forget this journey. Oh yeah? Tell me more. We're trying to find a gas station right now and I believe I found one right there, but the tire pressure has deflated to 24 on one of the wheels. So I hope that's not a problem, but we'll see what happens. So I stopped at a Dodge dealership and they're gonna put me some air right now. So here we are, service department, they're gonna put the air. He is also putting air in the trailer right now just to make sure it's all good so we can have a safe trip for the rest of the way. We also got the State Patrol here. Thank you. We're on the road and it's snowing and I'm going like 50 miles per hour because of all the snow and ice on the ground. And everybody's just flying past me. Must be nice to have a big trailer like that. So the highway we're on is closing right now. Let me show you guys. I don't know why it's closing. I don't know what is going on, but we're forced to get off the highway now to go on side roads. Apparently in Nebraska it's a thing where every highway entrance has these little things that you could open up and say it's a closed road. So you could just close the, the highway whenever you want. It's a pretty odd thing, but we're gonna take a bunch of side roads instead of the highway, which is gonna be a bigger pain because the side roads aren't cleaned and there's more snow, less people drive on them. And this is exactly why you don't drive a front wheel drive Honda during winter. It's stuck. The Honda is stuck. Now we're gonna go up on this one bridge and I'm not even sure where it's gonna take us, but everything looks so weird here. And there's this bridge out of nowhere. It's just like a side road that goes onto a bridge. So let's see where this thing is taking us. Look how impossible it is to see. I can't even see a few feet in front of me. It is just snow and wind and I don't even know what is going on over here. Yo, this is wild. Poor animals. My God, they gotta walk through the cold. That's some squat goals though. That's how you pull up real deep. Look at that last one. Oh, there's another one. Look, there's another one.
Left behind.
Oh man, look at him, look at him. Looks like he's hurting. Oh man. So I'm driving with my adaptive cruise control. I set it for 45 miles per hour with a few car distance from the car in front of us. Just because we're going so slow to the point where I'll just let the car drive its own. So I do have lane assist as well. So you see the car is gonna brake. It won't let me get out of my lane. I mean, it's doing everything. I mean, I just gotta pay attention to it at this point. It's almost like a Tesla. But it's this ride is getting a little bit boring just because of this road. But I mean, as you see, I'm not even putting my foot on the gas or the brake. It's slowing down on its own right now. That's the adaptive cruise control, baby. Look at this road. A bunch of turns coming up. I gotta take adaptive cruise control off and actually drive this road. It's a bit risky to let it drive for me. Oh my God.
Flipped.
Wow, something flipped. Wow.
With the trailer?
Yeah. No, what is that?
Yeah.
What is, oh my God.
I hope it's okay.
Wow, God bless. Wow. Wow, that's rough. Wow. Quick stop at the gas station. I'm not out of gas, but the way we are, I'm just gonna try to fill up as much as I could, because you never know if we could ever find a gas station. I mean, we didn't even find a gas station for the past 40 miles, so I'm just gonna get some gas and be on our way. So the snow has stopped and the road looks clean. First part of the trip, we were averaging 11.5, 11.8. At one point, we were averaging 12 miles per gallon. Now, we're averaging 9.3. Just ridiculous. I'm kind of mad that we're averaging that low. I mean, I could probably average more with my Hellcat if I just take it off the trailer and drive. It's ridiculous, honestly. Like, it's so aggravating that we're averaging 9 miles per gallon. Like, really? When we went to Pennsylvania, we averaged 15 miles per gallon, and it was with the trailer. The trailer, the car, everything. Same exact car. Check out the road, guys. Next stop is Denver. We are about 180 miles away from Denver. This is a very comfortable road to drive on. It's open. Nobody's really anywhere near us. There might be a car every 10 minutes that'll pass us, but besides that, it's a clear road. Hello, Denver. Man, look at those mountains over there. Up close view of the mountains. What do you guys think? Y'all digging the mountains? We are going uphill, and just check out the mountains. We're going right through the mountains right now. It's pretty crazy, honestly. Because I'm going up this big hill, I'm averaging like 3 miles per gallon right now. It's so funny. Well, now we're going downhill. This is the scariest thing I've ever done. I mean, it's a bit icy out as well. It's 19 degrees, and I have a whole trailer with a car on it. We're going downhill in between mountains in a road that looks like a snake road. I mean, it's just a bunch of turns, and we're gonna be here for the next 500 miles. Darker and more foggy now. Stopping to get gas right now. The gas is pretty expensive here, but also it smells like something is burning. We're trying to smell the car, I believe the car, there's something burning. I don't know what it is. Maybe the truck is just working extra hard because we're going through mountains and everything. But so far the truck has been amazing, so can't complain. But we're gonna pop the hood and see if anything is wrong just to make sure.
Smell that?
You smell that? It definitely is coming from here for sure. What could it be?
Let me check it out. At least we don't see any smoke or anything.
Huh? No, I don't see any smoke. It's just probably working extra hard. That's what it is. Going up and down the mountains, right? So
That's good.
it doesn't look like there's any smoke or any problem. So we're gonna keep pushing and pray for us because this journey is crazy. It is so weird here. 85 is regular for them, 87 is plus for them, and premium is 91. Whereby us, 87 is regular, 89 is plus, and 93 is premium. Pretty weird, but look, I mean, look how expensive the gas is. For regular, it's like $3. Back on the road now. It's almost pitch black. The camera does make it seem a little lighter than it is. But man, the things you do to follow your dreams. I mean, I never thought I'd be driving with a trailer in between mountains in pitch black. It is 4 degrees out right now, and it is ridiculous. Look at the road. This is the road that I mean, it is ridiculous. I'm going uphill, downhill. It's pretty dark, but look at all the mountains on each side. Utah speed limit here is 80 miles per hour. So we are in Utah, and it is snowing right now, but we're literally in the mountains and we can't really stop, so we're gonna push through and hopefully find a hotel after. We got probably like 150 miles left to go on this highway, and we're gonna try to find a hotel after that. But literally there's like no cars at all here. It's just us. This is exactly what I was afraid of. Look at this. It is snowing and we are going downhill, and it's turns everywhere. Look, check out the GPS. Check out the GPS. I mean, this is ridiculous. And you can't even see anything with the Hellcat because it's snowing. I mean, even snowed on my backup camera. So, going downhill in a snowstorm. This is just great. Our exit is finally coming up. Oh man, it's been such a long drive. Before we stop at the hotel, let me show you guys the Hellcat. My Hellcat has never been through snow, and it is looking brutal. I know you guys are so mad right now, but I couldn't control it. I can't control the weather, but at least it didn't go through salt because it's obviously not getting driven. Now let me show you guys the Hellcat. Oh my, look at this. Look at this. This is all in the trailer. It is ridiculous. Yo, it is crazy. Oh my god. Yo, look at this. Wow. Wow. Look how dirty the truck is as well. But the Hellcat got the worst of it. I feel so bad for the Hellcat, but I mean, gotta do what you gotta do. Just got to the hotel and leaving the truck and the Hellcat out here. I'm about to go get some sleep. So we decided to stop and get a hotel, and we got about 7 hours left of driving to do. We're gonna get about a good 3.5-4 hours sleep. Wake up early in the morning at about 5 a.m., 6 a.m. and get on the road and basically, you know, finish the road trip and get to LA by tomorrow. So we could go out, enjoy our Friday night, you know, have fun, and of course clean up the Hellcat because it is just filthy. Second part of the trip was brutal, honestly. Like, the mountains going through, you know, Colorado, all the mountains going in between, going downhill, going uphill, and it was dark, foggy, couldn't see anything. I mean, the clouds were like under the mountains. That's how high we were going, and we went up so high, it was 4 degrees only. And then when we went down, it went up to 21 degrees. So it's been crazy. And now we went through a snowstorm, going downhill, uphill, again through mountains. So this part 2 was crazy. So let's hope tomorrow will be a better day and we can get there safe, because we're almost there. So that's all I got for you guys. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos and be part of the family. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram at ToxicSRT. Add me on Snapchat at ToxicSRT. And I will see you guys next video. Make sure you guys stay positive and have an awesome, awesome day. I'll see you guys next upload. Peace out.